So hello everyone, my name is Aradhya Srivastava. I am an ACCA aspirant. So if you are planning to give audit and assurance exam in the upcoming attempt, then this video is for you. Like as you know, most of the teachers and students said that audit is one of the most difficult subject in the skill level. But to be honest, no. Like in this exam, you know the pattern. Like there will be definitely a 16-mark question from your audit risk, 15 marks question from your internal control deficiency, and 20 marks from your substantive procedures. Like half of the exam you know, and rest your OTQs. Like OTQs can be tested from any chapter, but there are high chances that question can come from your reporting, your internal control, and your ethics and acceptance. So if you want to clear the audit exam, focus on these topics. Second thing, why people says that this exam is difficult and passing rates are low, it is just because of lack of practicing, overconfidence, different exam pattern, and the main thing, typing speed. Like most of the people are not able to clear this exam just because of poor time management. So if you want to clear this, start practicing from today onwards. Planning to upload more videos related to how I cleared my exam, important tips and tricks, important questions. So follow me and subscribe my channel to get updated. And guys, just want to give you one tip. Like if you have already started or before starting, just visit ACCA Study Hub and view 2-3 mock exam just to understand the pattern and try to study according to the pattern. So it will definitely help you a lot in your future exam. And last thing, if you want all substantive procedures PDF and knowledge based questions, you can follow me and DM me on my LinkedIn. I will definitely share it with you at free of cost. So just all the very best and start studying guys. All the very best.